Jo.
Hi! Welcome to this short video series in which we are going to take you with us and show you the construction of the German pilot rooftop greenhouse for the Roof project. This is the third video in this series and concerns the whole process of making the Hempcrete wall from scratch, with every construction step shown. Here we see one of our workers, well, actually it's me, presenting the process. Due to heavy editing, it looks a lot better than it really was. First, Hempcrete, lime and porcelains are mixed with a bit of water. After a few minutes of mixing, a homogeneous mass is achieved, and the Hempcrete can be used for construction. The telescopic handler, by the way, wins Employer of the Month most of the time. One load of the mixer is exactly enough material to stuff into the wall, letting it dry and going on with the next load. In that setup, two people can constantly work on the Hempcrete wall without any interruption. Around the greenhouse, the basis of the Hempcrete wall is a layer of planks, which is fixed to the steel structure. Vertical planks are added for the formwork boards and of course for stability of the wall itself. The Hempcrete is stuffed and compacted so that the material reaches uniform density. Hempcrete has the nice property in that it can be stuffed into narrow corners or various shapes and therefore is very flexible in its application. Next to the nice insulation properties, Hempcrete also joins into the humidity exchange with the greenhouse interior, regulating the indoor climate. Hempcrete is the first material with real practicability in the greenhouse construction business, which can be composted completely. All alternatives, like sandwich panels, even with natural materials, are still using composite materials which generate waste. After the end of its lifetime, Hempcrete can be reintroduced into the natural material flow and therefore reducing the environmental impact of the greenhouse tremendously. After one day, the Hempcrete is dried enough to support itself. The formwork boards are removed and will be fixed to another part which is not completed yet. Slowly but persistent, the walls grow around the greenhouse. Thank you for watching and be sure to follow us and the Roof project on social media. Have a nice day and see you soon!